And 5 years later, I bought machines, and right now we have a facility with 35 people. But it wasn't a great pleasure to do that. I'm Antoine Roux. I'm CEO of Printoclock.com. That is a French online printing company.
It's a great name, by the way.
Yes, thanks a lot. Yeah, it works well. And it's a 70 people company, 13 million euros, just on B2B markets. Okay, so, and just for French market right now. We are not focusing the resellers markets, but all the companies. And we have a part of about 30–35% of resellers in our figures, in our revenues. The main difficulties for French companies were much more with tax policy, social policy. You know, you have to study social rights and to be an expert, whereas in that moment you don't do your own business, so you lose time. And then you can be a good competitor for other countries. And I think industry is, we don't have a field for small and medium-sized companies that you have in Germany. So it's quite hard to launch a business for a marketing guy like I am without this industrial structure, industrial field. No, I started from scratch, so without anything. Actually, I was a band manager, so I used to work about 5 years in the music industry as a manager, independent manager. And I started to sell printing like a broker during 2 years. And then I thought, yeah, now I want to process the orders, and I will launch an online printing shop. And 5 years later, I bought machines, and right now we have a facility with 35 people. But it wasn't a great pleasure to do that. The main difficulty was the difficulty I spoke before. Tax policy, when I speak about tax policy, you have to know that in France it was changing every year. So you cannot project yourself. So when you want to make a facility, you have to know what will happen in the next 3 years. And you could.
That's difficult under all circumstances, right?
And the cost of labor was very high in France. Right now it's quite okay, I think. But at this time it was really hard, and to find the workers, it's quite hard, because as it's a decreasing industry, you don't have so many profiles that can help you in your project. At the beginning of this business, I thought about workflow automatization, and right now we have two people who worked on that subject, and I think it's essential, because if you want to be cheaper or to be competitive,
or more efficient, basically, right?
And in our company, we sell a lot of small orders, because we are not an offset companies that turn into a web printing player. So we have a lot of small quantities, and so we have to be efficient on that level, of course. Yeah, we are looking, because I think we didn't finish our job in France. The first aim is to have a better growth in France, and I think we will be bigger in France in the next years. But also we are looking to different markets, especially in Spain, because we are not so far. We are in Toulouse, so it's like 300 kilometers, and other markets, yeah. Yeah, it's what we call the red ocean market. It means it's a very mature market, but very competitive one. You have like something like 50 companies. 20 of them are from foreign countries, especially Germany, but also Simpress Group with all its brands. And you have about 30 competitors in France. So yeah, you have a price war, of course. And I think it's just the beginning, because actually a few years ago we were not as strong as today. I mean, when the French companies. And right now we are stronger, and so we can play, I think, in this battle without any problem, because we have phones and we can play with very competitive and aggressive ones. I think in the last decade it was the price. Okay, but I think in the next year it will change. Of course, price is important, but I think you have something like ecological issues that will take its importance, and the relationship with your customer. I think it was crazy this last decade, because you had so many orders, it worked so well that you didn't focus on your customers. But I think in the next year, the companies who will focus on their customer will be those who will win the game. It's my first OPS, as I told you, and I think it's really a good day for our profession, and to meet each other, to speak about the market, because we are all wondering about what will happen and all that stuff.